The first cake is done, so I'm going to take it out and let it rest for 15 minutes before releasing the spring form. I need 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I'm going to make a glaze that I will brush onto the cakes. And now I'm going to mix these 6 tablespoons of lemon juice with a cup of powdered sugar. Yep, this is the one that was leaking. I'm going to brush the glaze over the first cake. And that's the German apple cake. We'll let this cool now, and I'll wrap it up very tightly and it'll be ready to go tomorrow. I performed a few tasks to finish up the advanced preparations, and that includes working on the German green beans. I finally diced 2 onions, and I will cover and chill these until the day of the dinner tomorrow. And I also finally diced prosciutto. I couldn't find any speck in the stores in this area, so prosciutto is a good substitute. Then turning to the pork roast, I trimmed and roughly chopped 2 fennel bulbs. And I've unwrapped the pork roast. You can see that the butcher scored the skin, and I'll be leaving this in the refrigerator uncovered overnight to help it dry out and make it a little bit crispier tomorrow. And finally, I mixed 1/2 ounce of black peppercorns, 1 ounce of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds. And that completes the work. It's the night before Christmas, and tomorrow we will have our dinner, hopefully. It's 3:30 in the morning on Christmas Day, and I've been up about half an hour. I've got the pork out of the refrigerator, and we're going to start by pouring the vegetables we cut 2 days ago, the onions and carrots and garlic, into the roasting pot, and on top of that we'll dump the fennel. Prost.
Prost, sláinte. Hello. Hello.
This dinner was an adventure. We not only survived it without burning down the house though, but also served all the dishes on time and without any flops. The pork leg emerged from the cooler steaming, juicy, tender, and delicious. My guests enjoyed that dish and all the others as well, but the simple spätzle was a surprise favorite. Among our guests was a German expatriate, no not him, and she savored the dinner, particularly the apple cake. Special thanks go to Marilyn's cousins. Little Xander and his older brother Aiden were great with the snowballs, and Bellet Reyes cheerfully jumped in to help me in the kitchen during those final crunch hours. And I am most appreciative for the German pronunciations provided by Felix Müller.
Felix Müller.
Oh, that's how you say it. Felix
Müller.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you.
Felix Müller.
Okay, I get it. Moving on,
Felix Müller.
The combined quality and quantity of the bourbons make this the finest assemblage I've received to date. I thank my guests for this trove, and I thank you for watching.
Felix Müller.
All the viewers, actually. And vielen Dank. Felix, good night.